Welcome. If your Telegram call vibration feels too long or distracting, there's a quick way to make it shorter and more subtle. In this guide, you will learn exactly how to set a short call vibration on Telegram using the latest version of the app. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you are on the main screen, look for the menu icon. This is usually the three horizontal lines in the top corner, or in some versions, you can tap directly on your profile icon. Tap it to open the main menu. Next, go to Settings. This is where Telegram keeps all customization options for your account, including notifications, privacy, and chat preferences. Once you are inside Settings, scroll until you find Notifications and Sounds, then tap on it. Inside this section, you will see different notification controls for messages, groups, and calls. Since we are focusing on call vibration, look for the Calls section. Under it, tap on Vibrate. Now you will see several vibration options. These usually include default, long, short, or even off depending on your device. To reduce the vibration duration, simply select short. This setting ensures that whenever you receive a Telegram call, the vibration will be brief and less intrusive. After selecting short, your change is saved automatically. You can exit the settings and continue using Telegram as usual. The next time someone calls you on Telegram, you will notice the shorter vibration instantly. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you receive frequent calls or prefer a more minimal notification style. It is quick, simple, and helps you customize Telegram exactly the way you like it.